I started posting my trades online last August of this year to document my trading journey. Ang goal ko kasi is to see my progress kung kaya ko bang palakihin ang account ko from a small capital. Maraming beses na din naman akong nasunugan ng account at lahat yon ay sa kadahilan ng gusto agad malaki ang kita. I'm focusing on the profit and not the process. Now, unti-unti ko na yon binabago. I'm taking my trades slowly. I want to acquire that consistency na palagi kong naririnig sa ibang traders. This month lang pala panay talo yung trades ko, kaya I pause for the meantime. But that's the beauty of my trading journey. Wala naman kasi akong sinet na timeline. Ang mahalaga sa akin right now is nandyan pa rin ang capital ko, ready when an opportunity knocks. I don't know if this journey will be a success or fail. Ang mahalaga for now is that I enjoy the process. Kita-kits next year.